Alina!
Hi guys, so I'm making some meatballs.
Yes?
And my grandma is over there.
Yes, and I'm...
Yeah, and there is our girlfriend.
Hi! Hi, Alina.
You have to mix it well so all the flour and the meat will get mixed. Mix and mix!
Then I will put in this one. Before you mix it.
Yes, I already washed my hands. Diba, baby? You see it?
Yeah, and that's right. And so is our garage because I'm just here inside of our house because my checkpoints are looking at me. So that's why I just video here inside of our dining table, and there's still making some meatballs.
Yes, and after this we have to make it round. Oh my god, I don't have a pattern. You
Okay.
have to make it round like this.
Yeah, and also let's wait for a minute to Tita to get some.
Ta-da!
Yeah, and also where's the wrapper? Where's the wrapper? Where's the wrapper?
No need for the wrapper.
There's no need wrapper because we just
Put in the dishwasher.
we will put it in Miss Wapatola.
Again.
Ganito lang kalaki. Okay?
Okay, so see you later, guys. So I'm gonna make it first. While I was cooking, I gonna edit this first. Okay, Tifa will make it first, and after that, when it's over there in our kitchen already, I video it again. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Okay, guys. So this is how the meatball look like. It's already 5. I counted earlier. It's already 5 because earlier it's already only 4, and now it's already 5. And now if I put some more on it. So let's count together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's already 6. Okay, guys. So if I'm making one, so this is only a meat, kind of a meat, and now is 7. Let's count it together, guys. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, guys. So let's wait for a minute to Tita to make another one to make it 8.
Oh, this is the baby.
So what do you mean, where's the baby?
This is too small, so that's you. It's a baby.
Yes, guys, now it's 8. So maybe we need 12.
Well,
Yeah.
okay.
So do you know what is after 8? Yes, you're right, guys. Who can know it? Yes, you're right, guys. It's 9. See? Okay, let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, very good, guys. So 3 meatballs left because 10, 11, 12. What I say earlier, 12 meatballs and 3 meatballs left. 10, 11, 12. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's 10. Two numbers left. Okay, now it's 11. Let's count it if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, I told you guys I'm right. It's 11. Now, if I'm making one, now is 12. Let's count it if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay, we did it, guys. So, season, guys, we're gonna put it in our kitchen. Now we're gonna cook it. Bye! Guys, back. Because earlier I just edited. So, this is what the ingredients of the miswa look like. This is the miswa, and that is the garlic, onion, and patola, and this is the meatballs. Guys, I don't know how many they are because they are too many, so I can't count it anymore. So this is all the ingredients how the meatball look like. So mommy